Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Fadila. Here I will explain about the power supply. Before I explain more about the power supply, I will explain a little the power supply. If you have a computer, then each hardware component has 345 watts of power. Then the power supply recommended above 345 watts. For example, if you have a processor with 65 watt of power, a motherboard with 70 watt of power, RAM with 6 watt of power, storage 12 watt of power, video graphic card 175 watt, fan cooling with 70 watt of power, for a total power of 345 watt. If you use a power supply of proving 345 watt, the computer that is being used will experience an excess of electrical power. Okay, now I will explain the power supply. Power supply is one of the computer hardware that play a role in supplying voltage to every computer component that require the flow of electric current. The function of the power supply is to supply the electric current voltage on each component contained in the computer. In addition, the main function of power supply the computer is to change the alternating current or AC voltage to direct current or DC before being distributed to many computer components. There are 5 types of power supply. First, the internal power supply is integrated power and is inside the motherboard. Second, external power supply are spare parts for the motherboard. Third, adjustable power supply, the consumption of electric power can be changed and adjusted according to user needs. Fourth, regulated power supply is used to maintain the stability of a device. 5. Unregulated power supply is the power consumption that allow the user to change the power electrical energy as need. That's my explanation about the power supply. Sorry if the explanation if I give was wrong. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.